Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Market Thesis, and here we are going to discuss about all the technical analysis of these charts. So first let you know we are doing here the weekly briefing thing, and we are going to analyze charts for this upcoming weekdays. So let's start, and here we will start with S&P 500, and this is the S&P 500. The market is closed now, so we will analyze the SPY. SPY is the same thing of S&P 500 ETF. So here we have predicted that the market is consolidating in a range, and this range will give a breakout first and then will come down towards the bottom. So our plan was in this way, and the price is moving according to our plan. So I'm expecting it to cross this high, which was the all-time high of 760, around 760, and then after crossing this level of 760, it will drastically falling down towards the bottom, and the next support will be 700 level. So I'm expecting it to first cross 760 level into this week, into this same week by Tuesday or maybe by Wednesday, and after that it will show us a very drastic fall into this chart. So next thing is the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also making a same kind of range. For Nasdaq, we will analyze the QQQ, which is the ETF for the Nasdaq. So this is the chart of QQQ, and it is also trading in a range, but the major support level is around 700 to 710. This is the very major important support level, and price is taking very good support. This is the major important level. I'm expecting it to continue to go further up, and around hitting this new fresh all-time high, it will try to turn down from here, and after this the price will drastically falling down and will again come back to the major support level of 700 range. And after that, after consolidating few more days into this zone, it will give us a downside signal of the breakdown again, and will come towards the level of this range, which is around 660 or 670 range. So this is the plan in QQQ and Nasdaq. I'm expecting it to continue to go further up from this level, to continue to rally 3 to 4%, and after that it will take a turn around. So let's go to the BTC now, and BTC is very bullish in the short term, just for this week only, not for the major trend. Major trend is still bearish, very much bearish, but for this week, 1 or 2 more days from here, we can expect a bullish momentum into this BTC, and it has already give a breakout signal, and here it has broken out and then retested with a pullback, and now it is trying to go a little further up, and I'm expecting it to continue to this range, which is the major resistance level on the higher side, which is around 66,500. So I'm expecting it to continue to go further up 4 to 5% in the BTC, while the Nasdaq will also continue to go further up 3 to 4%. Then it will try to take a turn around after trapping the bulls here around this level of breakout around 66,000, and after that we will go to the gold. Gold is trading at the major support level, and when it will give a breakdown signal here around this level 3,900 or 3,950, we can expect a turnaround from this level, and after that the market will turn around from the higher side to the bearish momentum, and the gold will reverse from here to the downside to the upward momentum. While the whole market will be crashing down, the gold will turn bullish again, and I'm expecting the gold to continue to further up around 10 to 12% of upside momentum within a month, not in a week, within a month, like 3 to 4 or 5 next week. So let's come to the dollar index. Dollar index is already broken out, and here we are seeing a good retesting level, like pullback phase, and after the breakout of this 101 level or 101.5, we can expect a good bullish momentum will continue towards 103.5 or 104 levels. So here is the major next resistance area is 103.5. Next come to the VIX level. VIX has already given a breakdown signal, and here is the trap. So I'm expecting VIX to continue to further up after breakout a range of 17 or 16.99 or $17 of range. So once the VIX will cross $17 of range, then it will continue to go further up towards 20 and 22, and market will start going down then. So keep eye on the VIX around the 17 level of breakout zone. So next thing is the crude oil, and here on the crude oil it has already filled the gap of this zone. This was the gap it has already filled here, and now it is trying to turn bullish. So let's see here, it has turned already bullish and now it's pulled back, and now it continue to further up, and expecting it to continue to go around the range of $80 to $79. So here is still a upside momentum in crude oil expected into this 1 or 2 week of next 10% of jump from these levels. The IWM, it is trying to retest the trendline support area, and it is a very good important support area for the IWM 293 level, and I'm expecting it to continue trading in a range, and it may give a breakout of 1 to 2%, but not like Nasdaq. So this is the ETF of Russell 2000. The last thing is the SPCX. SPCX is going down heavily, and I'm expecting the price to continue to go down towards $70 to $80, which is the average of around $75 to $80 of range. So this would be the fair value for this SPCX. This is a very great company, but not at a fair price. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.